This is just a quick little video. If you guys have been wondering what's this sound, that's my new keyboard. It makes a lot of noise, and it's just like very disturbing and stuff. I know it sounds like I'm just making gross things on the microphone, but I'm not really doing it. It's just my keyboard. You know what I mean? So I don't know why I made this video, but I can't make my videos that long, like over 10 minutes, because then it would like start glitching, and then it would like let me post that stuff. It would take too long to load. It would take too long to post. So that's why I make little short videos. My max of video is a 7-minute video, because I feel like anything over that would need to load. So like I made a video a really long time ago, and then I was like, and then I started. The video was supposed to end like at 10 minutes or something, or 8 minutes. But then I got hit by a car, and I started acting like I started having a mental breakdown in the middle of the street, and everybody and there were like two girls like, "Oh, you, are you okay? Are you okay?" And then I just started like saying like, "Oh, my starts bleeding," and then I just like then I said die, and then I just like said revives, because there was someone called Hope Bells, and since I was Magneto, I just was like OMG revives, because Hope Bell's name has hope, and then I just like they both got very happy and stuff, and then I don't know, people were weirded out and stuff. So I took me a really long time, started screaming, and couldn't post. So yeah, exactly why I make your videos. By the way, about that video I made, like, if there's something really important to say, or just something that is in character, I'll just like post it on, I'll just say it on Paint or something. Well, yeah, that is true. I am gonna do that, but I decided to just save this announcement on World Hot for some reason, because I wanted to play it. I always like to be entertained, and stuff. But sometimes you don't just have nowhere to entertain yourself at, so you just like start playing games. Since I love YouTube so much, I need some video ideas. Because I don't really have anything in mind. That's why I'm just continuing my stories. I don't have anything in mind. The only thing I have in mind is the 5-year-old recreations, which I already posted. Go check it out if you haven't. Yeah, I am a PowerPoint channel. I don't think you have ever heard of that. Yeah, I just invented it. Oh, by the way, I know something about this, because if you get like long stories, you always like ended up living the Halo and stuff. So he was lonely and wanted a friend. I don't know. He was Fred from his world. Trick question. He came back fine. Okay, so I have to read this whole entire thing, which I hate. Surrounded in different disguises. The pitch black. This is your black. Things going on. Something to speak to that word and revealing haunting you at night, cover surrounds you, kind of with these people let you free. If you outside of the pale man walked across the plains, freeing those who were called by natural order. Because of this, many feared him, and others accepted when he came. However, despite seeing this many people decided that one day he had enough and would never see again. What happened to the man? I don't know. He was lonely and wanted a friend. The world was free. He was freed from his wheelchair question. He came back in 5. And your coven was severed. He was freed from his world. So I feel like either C or D feel like, oh wow, so cool. But I feel like I have confidence for this. So this was like a trick question. Okay, then let's see. After 5 minutes long. Bye!